So you're here to see the unboxing of the Wings Maker VF032 Delta Wing EDF kit. If you watch until the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you how I will be converting this kit to a 50mm lightweight high performance application. So, here's the wing. Comes in 2 halves. Canopy. Magnets go here and here. Fuselage comes in 2 halves. EDF unit goes here, or in this real estate area. The wires snake up and channel into the DSC. These glue together like so. Left winglet, right winglet. Vertical stab. And the spar. That's all that came with the kit. This kit cost $50 cash, including tax. What doesn't come with the kit is the EDF unit. I have my own custom 50mm unit. Bear in mind, this is a 70mm EDF kit. So what I'm gonna have to do is create a fixture that would compound my EDF unit such that it's fixed and there's no offset thrust on it. Oh, I forgot. Here's the hatch for the EDF that goes into the fuselage, and magnets go here as well. Oh, actually, there is a accessory kit that comes with the kit as well. Here's the battery tray, and also some hardware for the servo horn. It's all in there. Okay, won't be using everything, but some of the battery tray, the servo horn, and then the servo doors, the enclosure fixture. I'll have those in detail in a separate video. Not available yet. And here's the nose cone. A few details about the electronics. I supplied my own. I got these from Amazon. These are the ZTW. A ZTW 50 amp switching BEC. So I'll be soldering some 3.5mm bullet connectors. And this part goes to the receiver. This is a voltage regulator, a step-down voltage regulator, or a buck regulator. I'm going to be sourcing this with a 460 milliamp hour 2S pack, and just goes into a spare open port on the receiver. In case there's a brownout, in case the BEC or the regulator on this unit fails, or if there's a cold solder for any reason, we'll have a backup. At least we'll be able to glide the aircraft to the ground, as opposed to experiencing a full brownout condition. This is a Devo receiver, 6-channel. There won't be rudder on this model, so I'll have that open port for the BEC, the external BEC, or spare BEC anyway. This is the RX 601 unit. Anyway, that last but not least, I'll be using these stock servos from TWM. These are the SV231 9-gram servos. I'll have the link to all these components in the description box if you guys don't know what you want to use. If you want to use this particular setup, by all means. But this concludes the unboxing video. I will have a separate video showing all the components in better clarity, but this is just a quick sketch, if you will, to show everybody what is needed to build up this model. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like the video. Bring me a comment if you have any questions, and this would be more or less a general template of standard 64mm build, and the knowledge can be applied across the board for all the forming EDFs. In this case it's a 50mm because it's a custom build. I want to keep the weight down. I've got like 5 of these, so this is a 50mm configuration, 50mm EDF configuration that I'd like to try out and see how she does. Take care.